Hi, this is Lorna from Ink and Lace, and today I would like to give you a little update on an older video that I made. Excuse my voice, I've been sick for so long. So it's about this leaf design. I made this leaf design quite a while ago, but decided not to use it as a motif for a leaf and to attach it as a main design element for a little pouch. So this little pouch is also made with Romanian point lace motifs. Is like you see, the cord is the simple cord is really big. It's about the same size as my finger. It's t-shirt yarn. It's very soft and very easy to work with, but after a while it's quite difficult in the hand to use, and you need to use a very large hook size. I think I used a wooden crochet hook on the largest size that I've had, bigger than my finger, to make it work. Now back to the leaf motifs. Is a 3D leaf motif in Romano Fear and silk combination thread. That's the silver one. It has abstract crochet booleans, and it also has corals, coral beads on it. So if you guys want to learn this leaf motif, please let me know, and I'll make a tutorial just on that on YouTube. But this is going to take me a little bit of time. Also, I don't have the same color thread. This is basically leftovers. So I'm going to use some light colors for you guys to see the leaf designs, because they're in there at least 2 different cords. The fan cord is in here, and the simple cord, as well as traditional elements and modern elements on it. So it's quite a bit. Okay, so thanks for watching, and please bear with me. I'm trying my best to get it all sorted. If you guys are also interested in this part, please let me know. I don't have the same corals, but I think I have something in orange, not sure. And we can also do this part if you guys are interested, but please let me know so that I don't work extra in vain when I could do some other pattern. There's still so many patterns who need to be updated and uploaded. The iris pattern, if you guys remember, still needs to be finished. That's the purple yellow flower. And there's a new update from a different type of orchid, a lot with embroidery in it. So stay tuned to that and stick around, because a lot is happening at the same time. My orchid painting is barely finished. It needs to be uploaded in Blue Thumb gallery, and in the meantime still the distance Reiki happening, so it's quite crazy going, but it's all at the same time. So thanks for watching, and I'm trying my best. If there's enough votes for this leaf design, I will create a pattern also later to be available on PDF format, so you can do it in your own time. So thanks for watching, and stay warm. It's getting cold in Queensland. It's crazy raining now. So check up the website, because there's a little few stuff updated, and the newsletter is also sent out. So bye bye. La